In this video, I'm going to run through how to create a tag group and how to create tags. So the starting point here is that we're connected to our DeltaV system. And the way I would explain this is that the concept of the tag groups is that it essentially allows a way to segregate systems, for example, or however you wish. Here, say, for example, we have a mixer system, but we might also have like a purified water system or some other form of system where we just want to look at a specific listing of tags which are quickly, kind of separable. Okay, so once we're connected, we'll just create a new group as such. So just click this plus button here, and here I'm just going to call it. I'll just simply call it mixer system. Okay, so mixer system is here, and I can add as many different groupings as such as I want, temperature control unit, etc. So what I'll do is I'll add individual tags to this. So quickly what I'll do is I'll open up my DeltaV here, and essentially if I want to just go and just quickly take a look, I'll open up, say for example, the Control Studio here, and in the background, what we can do is we can see all of our different items. Say for example, the different valves and control modules that are associated with the equipment, and you can go in and just to be quick, what you can do is you can say for example, if I have this guy here XV0609, I can go back to the Control Studio and I can try and find him, and there he is there, and I can just go open with Control Studio, and here what I can do is I can literally just go into the background and I can see I've got ZSE, ZSO, and I can find the different variables names that are required for him. And I may want to monitor these tags in real time. So what I will do here is I will go back to DVIO Watch, and knowing this is not like a tutorial on DeltaV as such, but just to show how to use DVIO Watch, I will go and I will navigate out to my system. So here, say for example, I open it up, go into modules. Here I find the name of my system. I have this process tank here. I have tank number 6. If I go back, it'll be something that looks similar, if not exactly the same, as this kind of tree structure in DeltaV itself. And say, for example, I'll go into this, I'll go try find XV0609, exactly the same as we would have seen here. And then I will go and I will find the variables that are required to drive the valve open. The ZSC, the ZSO is in the open and close read switch, and then a value that's kind of like a read status of how are things going. So the first one I'll go off is I'll get this guy SPD CV. Click enter. This is the guy that's used to drive the valve open. So then what I will do is I will look for the indicator, and the indicator is here, this guy here, CV, hit enter, go back again and get the ZSE, enter, and then get the ZSO, hit enter, and that is how to add tags. I could add all of the different valves and IO readings as per, say for example, this screen here, and it's essentially just a case where you can navigate using DVIO Watch in order to find the tag that you want. Again, there has to be some form of familiarity with Control Studio in the background, so effectively that you're familiar with this setup here. You're able to go off and explore, and then to specifically get the exact tags that you want, you are familiar enough with opening up a block and being able to actually click on a particular parameter, and then which ones to get, etc. Thank you very much.